Hi, in this short video, I would like to introduce you to the Rubezh Digital Archive, a remarkable magazine of the Russian diaspora published in Harbin, China between 1926 and 1945. Rubezh was far more than a magazine. It was the central cultural and literary voice of the Russian émigré community in East Asia. To understand why it matters, it helps to start with Harbin itself. In the early 20th century, Harbin became an unusual hub of Russian life in China. The city grew around the Chinese Eastern Railway, built by Imperial Russia in 1902. After the Bolshevik Revolution, thousands of Russians fled east and settled there. They built schools, churches, theaters, and a lively Russian-language press. Rubezh, which means the frontier, quickly became the leading publication of this community. It was a weekly literary and illustrated magazine. What makes Rubezh especially valuable is what it recorded. Alongside literature and journalism, it featured photographs and illustrations that captured everyday life and historic moments alike. Church life, theater and music, sporting events, and visits by figures such as Shaliapin and Vertinsky. It also documented the Japanese occupation of Manchuria in 1931 and the dramatic political changes that followed. The magazine's story ends in 1945. When the Red Army entered Harbin, Rubezh was shut down, and most of its editorial staff and many contributors were arrested and deported to the Soviet Union. Their voices disappeared from public life. The Rubezh Digital Archive brings them back. It offers the complete run of the magazine in high-resolution digital format with full-text search across articles and captions. For scholars and students, it is a unique resource for studying Russian immigration, East Asian history, and the cultural life of diaspora in the first half of the 20th century. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you would like to request a free trial or have any questions.